Parents and children of all ages, the Colleton County Memorial Library presents Homeschool Action.
Come on everybody, friends one and all, let's come together, let's break down those walls. We're gonna listen and we're gonna learn, having fun all the way. Somebody said, let's listen and learn together. Let's sing and learn forever. Let's listen and learn together. Let's sing and learn forever. Let's listen, learn together. Let's listen, learn forever. Let's read and learn.
Hi guys, we're back again with some homeschooling tips and tricks. I have Chase right here, I have Jaden over there, and today we're going to share with you guys something a little bit different. We're going to share our little backyard farm. Our farm life and our day-to-day chores are a part of our homeschool because there's a lot of lessons to be learned, there's responsibility being taught, and today the boys are going to show you some of the things that they get into and some of their animals. So we have a mix of animals in our little backyard farm. We have rabbits. We have a mix of ducks. Of course, some chickens and 2 roosters. And very loud but awesome geese. And we recently added a whole bunch of chicks. So with all these mouths to feed, the boys make sure that they all have food and make sure that they have some fresh water. Another great thing we have in our backyard is a garden. So sometimes the boys will help their dad maybe repot some plants, move things around. But honestly, they probably get some wonderful lessons from our garden alone because we've learned how to grow our own food, how to take care of the things around us, and how to really get back into nature.
Put the stick on the outside of the roof hole.
And what farm boy doesn't collect some fresh eggs? And that was a peek into our little backyard farm where we're learning every day. The boys learn responsibility, how to care for others, and to really appreciate everything that's around them. Here we go.
Well, Miss Jessica, I'm excited, boys and girls. How are you doing? I'm doing great because Miss Jessica's back. We've learned lines, we've learned shapes, and today, hey, we're learning colors.
That's right. We're going to learn about primary colors and secondary colors.
Ooh.
Okay, boys and girls.
Okay.
We have 3 primary colors. Primary colors are colors only found in nature. These are colors God created.
Ooh.
And we can't make them.
Right.
But when we get to any other color, we can make them.
Okay.
And that's secondary colors and any color after that.
Okay.
So our primary colors are now, boys and girls, if we take these primary colors and we take 2 of them in equal parts, we can make another color.
Oh.
If we take red and yellow, we can make orange.
Oh.
If we take red and blue in equal parts, if we were mixing up paint, we would get.
Okay.
Now, we put red with yellow, we put red with blue. What happens if we put yellow and blue together? What do you think the color would be that we would get? Miss Shiela?
Can we say green?
Yes, ma'am. We get green. Now, boys and girls, I have an assignment for you. I want you to make me a color wheel. Really, you're going to make it for yourself. A color wheel is a circle divided into 6 equal parts. We have our primary colors. We have red, blue, and yellow.
All right.
Notice they are not side by side. We have to leave a vacant part in between because if we mix red and yellow, we said we got orange.
Right.
If we mix red and blue, we will get purple.
Yes.
And if we mix blue and yellow, we
get
will get
green.
In fact, boys and girls, when I made this color wheel, is what it's called, I did not have any orange color or any purple color. I had to mix to get my orange, and I had to mix to get my purple.
So cool. So cool.
So if you can get some watercolor paint, usually you will have all the colors available and you won't have to mix your own. But please make sure you rinse your brush each time you use a color to make sure you don't transfer that to your new color, because then you will get mud. You need to keep your brushes clean when you paint with colors.
I love it.
Okay?
Thank you, Miss Jessica.
Oh, you are very welcome. And I hope you have fun making your color wheel.
Every day we learn something new. It was nice to talk and read to you. Glad that we came together and thankful for your smiling face. We sang, we laughed, we danced, we played. Miss Shiela, so glad you shared your day.